A very good morning to one and all. I am Sujata Rai from Dharmo Primary School. It is in South District. My qualification is +2 and my professional qualification is DLED and DIET. Our school is situated in rural area having 46 students. I have been working in this school since 2012 and I am in this profession from 1996. Now the problem in this area. The problems that we have been facing in this school is the scarcity of water, which I already highlighted during zero investment training. So we have managed how to solve the problem with the help of the teachers and the guardians. For that, I was also nominated as one of the innovative teachers during that program. Now ZIIEI. During this program, we learned many new ideas, which helps to make our teaching very effective and enjoyable. So of course, we used to do the family tree by drawing pictures and writing the name of the guardians, but never thought to draw the picture by pasting picture of the families, which they have done by themselves, and they will learn to enjoy it. Not only that, from this training we also came to know that while teaching family we can do that songs through brainstorms and through poems also, which found to be very enjoyable, I think, according to me. And also I came to know that during this program I also came to know that while teaching family tree, we can conduct a meeting with the parents so that the children also feel proud to be a part of the programs. Now IPCT are the platform which gives various views and ideas which help to make teaching effective and enjoyable. As we all know that every individual have their own individuality, and it's our duty to welcome the children to come up with their own ideas which help to explore themselves. So it is also our duty to deal with them as per their interests and always try to be a good advocate for them. It is also our role to be a good listener and always try our best to focus on child interest to achieve the goal of education, which is the main aim of NEP 2022. Though the school is situated in rural areas, but here the guardians of these schools are very cooperative. Not only the guardians, but the teachers are also very cooperative and very hardworking. Because of that, we are able to receive the second best primary school award in South District. So we are able to achieve this due to the good coordination between the teachers and the guardians. So last but not least, I like to say that until and unless if the teachers are not dedicated, it will not be able to achieve the goal of education. So we should love our profession to make better education. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.